and welcome back to another video. Excuse my voice, still sounds a little raspy, but today's video is going to be on a Valentine's Day look. It's about that time where us girls want to get all glammed up just for that special date, and I want to do a pretty simple look but yet very classy, sexy, and you basically can wear this look for any type of occasion, but we're gonna do it for Valentine's Day. So if you guys are excited just like I am for Valentine's Day, today is the day. Love and hate relationship when it comes to like pink. I don't know, I think it's cute, but to be honest, at my personal level, I do not like pink, but is a perfect occasion and a perfect day to have that excuse to wear that little bit, to wear that pink, and to come out your comfort zone. So if you are excited just like I am for Valentine's Day, just keep on watching. But before you do, please don't forget to like this video, comment, let me know if you guys are going to be celebrating Valentine's Day and if who you guys are going to be celebrating Valentine's Day with. And don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on Instagram, Malave Beauty. I will leave it right here for you guys or down in the description box below. And for you guys that don't know who I am, hi, my name is Gretchen, and let's get to this Valentine's Day look. To buy a lot of affordable makeup just because there is so much good quality out there that are affordable and you guys don't need to go and splurge on high end. I'll be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this primer, and I'm just basically going to use this in the center of my face. I really enjoy this primer a lot. It's very affordable. You can basically find this at Rite Aid, and a lot of drugstores have this type of carry e.l.f. So I'm trying to use a lot of things that you guys are able to like purchase. But yeah, I do love this primer, so I'm going to prime my face with that. Then I'm going to go in with this Colourpop No Filter Stick Foundation. It's one of my favorite, hands down, foundation sticks. I'm doing this video today in my room, and I really don't have that much stuff in my room. So excuse the lighting if you guys can't like really see. And then after that, I'm going to buff that foundation brush. No, I'm going to buff that foundation with my Real Techniques buffing brush. I think this is it, but yeah, I'm going to start buffing that in. Okay, got you guys a little more closer and personal. I couldn't hold that mirror for that long. I'm going to drag it down my neck just so I don't got that seamless line there dividing the neck with my face. Always make sure to blend that foundation down to your neck. I love this foundation. Then after that, I'm just going to go with my Real Techniques sponge and just blend everything out. After that, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And this one is in C6.5. If I did not mention, I am the shade Medium 90W on the foundation. And I'm just basically going to conceal, not a lot, just a little bit. And I'm going to use this as my primer as well on my lids. After that, I'm going to set, after that, I'm going to set that concealer with my Airspun Loose face powder, and this one is in translucent. I love this face powder. I feel like it sets my concealer very good, so I'm just going to I feel like it sets my concealer very good, and it doesn't give me that flashback. After that, I'm gonna set my entire face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder, and this one is in 020 medium beige. And I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection in JH101. Oh my god, I cannot speak today. I'm gonna go a little bit backwards. Usually I start with my eyebrows and my eyes, but I'm just going to switch it up a little bit, just because it's good to just, you know, do things differently once in a blue mood. I'm gonna take this Colourpop Pressed Powder bronzer. It really doesn't say the name in the back because I've been using it a lot, but if I find which bronzer this one is, I'll leave it down in the description box below. And I'm going to use the JH02 brush from the Morphe and Jaclyn collection. I'm basically just going to bronze the skin just to bring a little bit of the color back. This look is going to be very simple, very easy. So you girls out there that are still not perfected, you know, your makeup skills are still able to do this. I'm going to use this ColourpopXbretman. No, this Colourpop with Bretman Rock. This is the blush I'm going to be using. It's called Oh Sheesh Blushing. And I'm just going to take this brush right here. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I think this is from like their Dragon collection. And I'm gonna put this in the apples of my cheeks. And I got carried away as per usual, so I'm gonna take, I always have a handy hand, the brush that I used for powder, and I'm just basically gonna blend it out just a little bit. I always have that problem. I always have a heavy hand with everything. I'm just so rough. I don't know why. Let me know if you guys are just like that, because sometimes I'll be like thinking I'm the only one. I'm going to be highlighting with the Makeup Revolution. This one doesn't have a name. It just has like a number right there. It is the FRD01, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a pinkish color, and I'm going to use this brush as well from Wet n Wild, and I'm just basically gonna highlight the high points of my cheeks. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, let me stop because I get myself carried away. Okay, let's move on to the eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in 376 medium brown. After I already applied that sensational color, a wash of pink on my crease, I'm gonna go in with this darker pink color. It's called Tinkled. It's right here, and I'm gonna use a JH33 brush, and I'm going to apply this on the inner part of my eye socket, and apply a little bit on the crease, not as much, just focusing it on the outer part of my eye. I love this palette. It's very affordable. This palette, believe it or not, it was only $10. And I love it. It blends very beautiful, and I feel like for the price, you can't really beat that. So guys, I just realized that I did not film the part of me basically showing you guys the palette that I was using. But the name of the palette is Aftershock, and it's from Bad Habit. I love Bad Habit palettes. They're very, very affordable and very pigmented. So I used Sensational on my crease as a transition color. Is that light wash of pink that you guys see. And after that, I basically took a little bit of Tinkle, that is a darker hot pink color that I did show you guys previously, and now I'm just basically patting it on the outer parts of my eye, just like that. I'm gonna go a little bit with this burgundy reddish color. It's called Spurge. Spurge is right here. I'm gonna apply that a little bit on top of where I applied Tinkle, just to deepen up that outer part. I'm just going to tap, not really gonna do much, and then do circular motions. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go in with that brush that I used before, where I used that Sensational color, and I'm just basically just gonna blend out, feather out, make sure there's no harsh lines, and that color looks nice and blended. Then after that, I'm gonna go in back with that highlighter palette, and I'm going to use this pink color right here, because I don't want to make it everything pink. I want to still make it wearable, and I'm just gonna basically apply that in the inner parts of my eye, going a little bit above the crease, just a little bit. That color as well, and apply it in my brow bone. After that, I'm gonna go in with Sensational. I'm gonna do basically the same steps that I did in my eyes on the under part of the eye, and I'm basically gonna start off with that lighter pink and start buffing it out. And with a smaller, precise brush, just like this. This one is from Morphe, and it's the JH39. I'm going to take Surge, and I'm going to apply that only on the outer part. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Luxe Lash. This one is in the style For Look. I hope that's the style name, but they look just like this. These look very dramatic and really nice. So I'm going to pop these in, and we'll be right back. Not we, me. What the fuck? So lashes are on, and I swear lashes always make a difference. But if you're not comfortable or you still don't know how to apply lashes, a couple of coats of mascara will do fine. But these lashes are to die for. They're so pretty, so comfortable, so flattering, so oof in your face, and they're only a couple of bucks. Really loving this look so far. Last thing, moving on to lips. I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner in Rose. It looks just like this. And I'm just going to line my lips. Did I moisturize before? I love NYX lip liners. They're so comfortable. You can just leave it like this and ignore my chocolates, please. But I was gonna be so extra and apply. Use this elf with collaboration with Christine Siriano. Sorry if I'm butchering it, but it looks just like this. And I'm pretty sure you can still find this at elf. And I'm just going to, oh my god, this is bright. Just like this. I'm loving this pink. I am so loving this look. This is like straight up Valentine's Day vibe right here. But like I said, you can wear this look for so many different occasions. And last thing, we gotta set this face. Make sure it's set all day. I'm gonna use the Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Like this. You can find this at Ulta. And I'm just going to set my face. This look is complete. I am loving this look. Like, if it was not like 12 something at night, I would like literally wear this all day, but I'm gonna clean this face in a minute. I love how this look. If you guys love this look, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It will help me so much and I will appreciate it. If you guys are ready for Valentine's Day, give this video as well a big thumbs up. Leave me in the comment section below. What are you guys going to do for Valentine's Day? Are you guys going to be going out with your husband, boyfriend, sister, mother? What are you guys going to do for Valentine's Day? Most likely I'll be staying home with my kids like I usually do in every Valentine's Day. But I hope you guys have a safe one. Enjoy with your loved ones or with whoever you guys will be celebrating Valentine's Day with, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.